Hello everybody and welcome back to Jorge the Mentor's YouTube channel, and today I'm going to give you 3 tips on how to boost your Airbnb reviews. Number 1 is how clean is your Airbnb listing. Now, in a lot of cases, some of the people that are going to be staying in your Airbnb might be a family, and of course the parents don't want their kids to be running around and playing in the home, and it's really dirty. So that's going to be a big one. So make sure that your property is so clean that you could literally lick the floor. Remove all the appliances, the refrigerator and the stove, take it all out, sweep and mop, make sure that it's very, very well cleaned. And by the way, as you delegate this to somebody else, make sure that for the first couple times you check and go through a checklist and make sure that everything is cleaned until it becomes second nature for them. The second thing that is recommendable from my experience is to make sure that you have great communication from as soon as they book, sending them like, hey, congratulations on your booking. I'll send you all the info for your stay within 4 to 7 days from your arrival. A couple days before their arrival, 4 to 7 days, you send them that message with all the information for the duration of the stay. After they check in, ask them, hi, hey Jorge, how was check-in? Which that's one specific category that the review is left for. Also, after they've stayed there for a couple days, ask them, hey, how's everything going? Is there anything I can assist you with? After they leave, they're gonna go through their review process, and again, when they come up to that section, how was the check-in and communication, they're gonna give you a great score because you were always there. Even if something goes not as planned, the fact that you're there to answer their questions can make or break the whole review. The third thing is to make sure that your listing is stocked up with everything that you normally have at home. So just imagine your Airbnb guest, when they come to your listing, they want to arrive and feel as if they were at home, meaning they have everything that you have at home, from appliances and supplies and everything. It should feel like they never left their home. So those are my top 3 tips, guys. If you guys enjoyed and have any questions, comment below. I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Make sure you guys subscribe, hit the little bell so you guys can be notified of my upcoming videos, and check out my descriptions and links below. I'll see you guys next time.